This is just a very short video about something that I'd never seen before in using QR codes. As I've traveled in Southeast Asia, they're everywhere. You can buy food in McDonald's and other restaurants just with scanning a QR code, but we don't use them that much in the States. I was at an academic presentation, and the presenter from a different university gave everybody this handout with a series of QR codes. With your smartphone, you copied it, and it would open up automatically, and there was the speaker's presentation website. I had never seen anything like that, and it really stuck in my mind.